Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Advisor Henchman Engineering. This is your Suras and this is Paper and Profit Part 7. And today's topic is craft recovery boiler with cascade evaporation system. Friends, if I say you are running a 250 TDS craft recovery boiler with evaporators with cascade evaporation system, you are losing energy worth 25 crore rupee annually. You will be surprised, but this is true. Please check these slides back. So, behind me, if you see, flue gas of temperature 170 to 175 degree is going through the ID fan to the chimney. If you see, in such type of system with cascade evaporator, basically two type of energy losses is there. One is hot vapors of 170 degree centigrade, which is equivalent to LP steam. Another losses is hot air. Hot dry air means hot dry air which is going as a flue gas. So total, as typically it has been seen, total steam requirement to heat up such air is usually 3 ton per hour. It means 72 ton per day steam is lost to heat up the air from 35 degree to 175 degree centigrade. So here is the mass balance and economics related to it. Solid fire today per day as a bond dry is 250 TDS, but because cascade evaporator increases the solid concentration from 50% to 60% by the exchange of the energy, so total mass fed into the cascade is 500 TDS per day. So after, because the if you minus the dry solid, you will find that 250 TDS mean 250 ton per day hot water or vapors is removed from the recovery boiler. These vapor is equivalent to LP steam at prevailing temperature. So also you will take understand total hot air required in the scap is 72 ton per day and chute blowing losses is 36 ton per day. So combinedly total hot water vapors as the energy lost is 358 ton per day, which is combinedly can be said as a 25 crore rupees per annum. So this is this amount is huge. This is such a high that you can purchase a new recovery boiler every 4 years. So energy potential is huge. So what is the bottlenecking and the problem? What has to be fixed actually? Why it is happening? Cascade type of evaporator usually used for the agro based processing where the black liquor has high viscosity. So the first bottlenecking is high viscosity of the black liquor, high ash content of the raw material. Because why viscosity? Viscosity is because of the ash content, and of this ash content almost 70 to 80% is a silica. If silica is reduced, viscosity will also get reduced substantially. So conventional wet washing system is not able to leach out or remove this non-process element permanently or substantially. So what are the objective of this whole study? So objective of whole this discussion is to reduce the ash content from the raw material yard itself. So another important aspect is to reduce the viscosity of the black liquor and improve the quality of the pulp so produced. Also to produce best quality black liquor, to overcome the cascade evaporation system, because cascade take away most of the energy from the recovery boiler to the chimney. So we have to overcome from that. So what industry actually expect? Industry expect as proven system which can reduce this non-process element or leach out this non-process element. behind me there is a snip of the dry material treatment of wheat straw. So you will find that wheat straw usually contains 7.5 to 8.5% ash content. By the treatment of our patent scheme, we will remain successful to leach out this non-process element from 7.5% to only 3%. If you talk about the silica is only 1% left, and the residual chloride content is 0.05%, and potassium is 0.11, and calcium and magnesium is only traceable. So you will find that even the cause of the high viscosity, or the reason for the high viscosity black liquor, is leached out from the raw material itself before pulping. So what actually industry need to adopt this patent technology. So what industry will obtain now means what industry will gain after implementation of this. Industry will gain high steam generation ratio, means if the specific steam generation earlier without without implementing this system and running with the cascade. So steam generation, if the specific steam generation was 2.5, it will increase to 3.5. Means almost 250 ton steam generation excess will be generated. Definitely some modification as well as cascade removal and economizer addition is required. So this activity will yield this much gain in term of energy, 17.5 crore rupees. Another gain will be to utilize the heat losses from the hot flue gases, because if we been able to remove the if we been able to increase the solid concentration up to 65%, the moisture will reduce from 250 ton per day earlier to 134 ton, and shoot blowing frequency is also expected to get reduced. So steam consumption per day will be this much, and energy as a LP total will be 164. Still has energy can be captured by the humidification and dehumidification system. So friends, this was the system by which we can capture most of the heat loss as well as can reduce the coal consumption. So we have also started a program, HECPL skill development, for the job seekers and the learners and the professional, those who want to learn the concept fluid mechanics, heat transfer, mass transfer, automation system, and artificial intelligence and its implementation, how to make logic and how it should work. So by this system you will be able to understand lot of knowledge, and the coming slide we will also share how this system works and how this system can transform the operation of our pulp and paper industries. And definitely I hope this you like this video, and if you really want such a informative video, come to our channel. Until then, have a great day. Bye bye.